Ya Kalimpong Meghalaya Games Kaba Riu, an Penlong ha West China Hills District, rengkat ke Jingpynkhreh Pynkhrum, Katkum uba John F. Karsiying ubadai working president jong Meghalaya State Olympic Association ula ong ba kejingkersyan jong kesorkar kala long ka atiar ban Pynkhrum embiang ya kejing lekai ya kaba la Sdang ningkong hausnem arhajar iwei bat bala penlong biang ya ka hausnem arhajar khat khandai menta usnem kindan hadu arpausan tali kejing lekai sport bat palat lai hajar ngut kinong Bynta ba kenthop yaki he jong kekenhuan bat ki he jong katanat rekam kiban pensyong shet Hakani Kalimpong.
So preparations in full swing. We are very fortunate that Jowai town has a number of the Rashnong. They have these what they call club. They have a lot of community halls. This time there'll be a great advantage in the sense that there are already a lot of community halls which we will be using for the Meghalaya Games. There will be 25 sports being held. These 25 sports are archery, arm wrestling, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, cycling, football, golf, gymnastics, judo, karate, kho-kho, muay thai, shooting, softball, sports climbing, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling and wushu.
Wan ka shitarik ukala lengkot